Not too long ago, we did an unboxing on the Ohlins Coilovers for the Model 3. Today, we're going to be installing it. Redwood Motorsports with Ohlins. Look at that. Obviously, stock factory suspension on the Model 3. We're getting rid of those, putting the new ones in.
You usually driving your car, so I want to see if you feel the difference. So this is on setting 8 right now, which is more towards soft. I'd say it's middle.
Middle?
Middle. You know, knowing you drive a Model 3 every single day, so how does this feel compared to yours?
I think it feels actually better than mine, which is crazy. Because I have 18s, stock tires, and stock suspension.
And this has what, 20s?
Yeah, this has 20s.
20s with super slim tires.
And it's lowered.
And it's lowered.
I say this feels very similar to mine, if not slightly better, which is kind of crazy. Because I still feel the hits, right? But like they're much more rounded out. They're not so jarring.
Okay, do you notice this though? Compared to the teens, you don't even feel them.
I hear them more than I feel them. Yeah, it's really nice.
Ohlins for me, I think a huge step up. They're really, really nice.
I kind of want to drive mine again now just to see. This setup, which has 20-inch aftermarket wheels, tires, lowered, feels very similar to a stock Model 3 with 18s, not lowered. If not, this might actually feel slightly even better. So that's a pretty big deal, because a lot of people, they don't want to go up to 20s, 21s because they're afraid the ride's going to suck.
Exactly.
So the fact that this can feel just like stock 18s factory setup, worst case scenario, then I mean, like, I don't know what else you can ask for.
If you want the styling of a 20, but at the same time you don't want the discomfort, you can always balance it out with this coilover setup.
And you get better handling than even factory. Let's go drive my car now.
I think we should drive your car.
Let's go drive my car now.
I think we should. All right, now we're in Haywood's car, guys. I feel it.
I think it's softer than my car.
I think it's softer.
Yeah, I think
it's softer.
It's like 10% softer than my car.
Yeah,
Let's go to the lines.
I think the lines is going to be the key on this one. Okay, so here's the lines. Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah,
you feel the lines.
Yeah. That's really impressive.
An Ohlins coilover setup can be about 10 to 50% better than a stock Model 3 on 18-inch with very thick tires. That says something. I think that's big increase.
Very impressed. The fact that this 3 is on 20-inch wheels, lower profile tires, and lowered feels better than a stock Model 3 running on 18-inch wheels says a lot about this kit. This really eliminates any cons you're used to hearing about when you're lowering your car or going up in wheel size. It's incredible. Best part is the handling is dramatically improved at the same time. The current ride height is a little over 27 inches in case you want to replicate this. Of course, you can go higher or lower if you like. I can't recommend this enough for those looking for the best ride quality possible.